Tired of spending thousands on photo shoots or struggling with making your product stand out online? In this video, I'll show you how to transform your visuals into professional, high converting images without breaking the bank or needing any design skill. Stick around to the end to see how this revolutionary tool can save you time, money, and stress. All right, so what is Pic CoPilot? Okay, so what it is basic terms and make it more simple for you to understand. We're taking a product that we either find on the internet that's like a flat lay product, okay, or we have a product where we take an image of it. We have like a physical product. Let's say, for example, this microphone, right? So I have this microphone and I want to enhance the image of this product if I take a picture of it, which I do have a picture of this product. I'm going to show you how we can enhance the product leveraging this AI tool called Pic Colab, right? So if we come down here, you're going to see create pictures that sell for products with Pic Colab AI, proven to boost click-through rates by 54.7%. Huh, interesting. And then we come down, why choose Pic Colab AI? It gives you a breakdown of all the other. So purchase conversion rate is 57%. So it's like you're creating eye-catching images by leveraging this tool right here, this software, right? And then it shows you product image tool. Okay, and it's showing you what it does. Apparel tool. Now, if you do a lot of influencer marketing with apparel, this is be really good, right? So if you're creating like images on the go or you're trying to promote them to your audience, this is a really good idea. Now, I do personally myself do a lot of product reviews. So this can definitely come in handy for me personally. And now if you do, I can see this working for you too as well. And I create a lot of content on selling t-shirts, right? Templates, gallery, image, video, translation. Okay, interesting. All right. Remove any background, right? That's pretty cool. I like that a lot. And then AI shadows. So let's dive into this. Let's check it out. All right, so now I'm right here logged in. You're going to see all the tools right here. Okay, virtual try-on, AI fashion models, and the list goes on. Remove background. We have some AI product ads creator. These are pretty nice right here, especially with like certain Black Friday, Christmas around the corner. This is I like the backgrounds that they have going on right here. White backgrounds, AI fashion model. Okay, this one right here, virtual try-on. We're going to go ahead and try that, but then they have different templates. So all these different templates, they're all editable. So you can add your own product into there and you like promote them to your audience. Okay. And in the image too, I'm not sure if you're noticing that it's very eye catching, right? Look how for Christmas, look how clean these look right here. And then it has the percentage off. All right. So let's go in up here. This virtual try on. Let's go ahead and let's get an image. So I have an image over here. This is a flat lay over here from Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and save that image. I'm gonna go ahead and upload that virtual try-on image right here, upload it. So you can upload a top sub clothing types. You can tops, bottoms, full outfit, or just one pieces. Okay, so you can see the breakdown examples of the upload of the image. You can see with the check mark, that's a go, that's a go, that's a go. And then the ones that you can't do, you can see the X, no, these are wrong, right? So let me go ahead and upload a top. The one that we just downloaded right there from Amazon. Now, keep in mind, if you want to leverage this right here, if you have your audience over, let's say you have your fan page where you could be on Facebook, Instagram, you can have your YouTube channel, TikTok, any of this stuff would work really good. Just keep that in mind as I'm creating this. I want you to get an idea of what you're going to be using this for. Okay, so go ahead and confirm upload. Now, you can choose right here. So we have our product here. We can choose a model poses. Okay, you can do a female, male, child, and then they have a custom. Interesting. So you can create your own custom model, which is pretty cool because if you have like you're doing a model of yourself, you just have to make sure that you're following all these instructions to do yourself. But let's say, for example, you have a male shirt. We'll go ahead and use the male. And then we'll go ahead and you can pick any of these guys right here. Then I'll just go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and pick him. Create now. So it's grabbing the image that we have right there, flat lay, and making sure that we're following the guidelines here. And let's go ahead and creating the image for us. Come on, AI. And I'm going to have a affiliate link down below in the description. So make sure you check that out if you want to go ahead and give this AI tool a try. Check it out down below. And if you're getting any value out of this video so far, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. All right. So now let me go ahead and pull up the flat, like the original that we downloaded. So to enhance it a little bit more, this is the one that we downloaded over here from Amazon. I just right click, downloaded the image. You can see it right there. Very nice and big, right? Now, if we look over here, look at it. If you look at that image, look at the sleeves, you can see how it put it on the actual model. Pretty cool. It did a really good job. And then you can also download it. So let's say, for example, I wanted to download. Let me hit the download. Bam, it downloaded it. And then let me go pull up the image. So you can see it actually on the model, right? And then right there, right? So that did a pretty good job, right? You can see that, okay? Now I went ahead and did another one. So you're gonna see this image right here. This is one from Amazon too as well. You can see this is the one over here. I went ahead and just right click, saved the image to my PC, and then uploaded it over here the same exact way I did the first one, okay? Now, if we look at, let's go ahead and click, we downloaded this one. Let's bring it up. You're gonna see him right there. I downloaded the image. That's him right there. And then if we go over here and look at the image right there. So if we look at the here, right, to here, it seems it's just a little bit more brighter, right, if you're noticing that. So I wanted to show you two different styles, flat lay styles that we put it on the AI model. There's the first one we did, right? This one seems to be a little bit more of a shinier, and this one too as well. This one seems to be a little bit more brighter. This one's pretty good. I like this one too. It's pretty good. I love how they like the sleeves. Like it looks like it's legit on there, right? So pretty cool when it comes to leveraging the flat lay and putting it on the actual AI itself. All right, did a good job. All right, so now what we're going to do is create a AI product ads creator. I think this is really cool, especially coming up for holidays. I think this is a really good idea. So we'll go ahead and upload an image. I have a microphone that I wanted to upload to test this out with because it would be a really good post for me personally. And one thing I always recommend when it comes to taking these images, let me show you the original image. You can get an idea to help you. Like you can see how I have it like the image, but standalone by itself type image. You can see what I did is go back to use transparent background. You can see how it did a really good job at understanding where the product was. So keep that in mind when you're taking these pictures. You want to get it by itself, you know what I mean? And then you have a magic eraser just in case you want to go in there and manually edit anything, or you can manually remove the background too. But the magic eraser is pretty cool because you can go in there, highlight the image. You can either remove it or just remove that actual image itself. It's up to you. Go ahead and confirm upload. And look, yeah, did a pretty good job. Okay. Now we have all these templates right here on the side. And so would you like to change the template? Okay. So I could change it. All this is, okay, I will say, is all this edible? Yes, it is. I can move any of this. I can make it bigger. Yeah, there we go. This is nice. Okay. Let's go ahead and let's click on something like that one. Let's see if it, yep, change it. Okay, nice. The back, very nice. And just messing with it to see how it all works. All right. Let's go over here. If you want to delete the logo, you can delete it. Just testing out different ones to see how it looks. Supercell. All right. All right, Christmas. You can put your own logo right there if you wanted to. Let me see. Okay. Change your image. Okay, I gotta change your image. Nice. All right. And it's gonna go ahead and generate the image. So product style successfully matched. Creating product background image. Step 1, step 2. Working on step 3. Correcting the shadows and other details of the image product. Oh, not too shabby. I'm gonna go back to the second one. I'll change this right here. I like this one a lot. Okay. This one right here is my favorite. Yeah, I like it at that angle right there. You can change your own logo if you wanted to, but for this example, we'll keep that, but you can change your own logo if you want to. All right, and then we'll go ahead and hit the generate. That first one was all right, but I like this one. For me personally, I like this one better. Okay, let's see what it generates for us. All right, hit the download. All right, so you can see. Now, I would change the logo, but I just wanted to test this out for this example to see how it would come out. And in any of this, you can edit any of this right here too, by the way. So if you wanted to edit any of the text or anything like that, you just come back into the actual, it says Merry Christmas. You can edit the font, you can edit the text, any of this stuff right here. I just wanted to see how it generated everything. And then you can look at all the different discounts, product launch, hot sale. This is all good stuff right here. You can change the font right there too. So if you don't want 48%, let's say you want, I want 58%, you know what I mean? You can add that into there. Everything is, this whole template is, you can edit the whole thing, okay? Which is really cool. But we come over here, look at the image we created. Not too bad, right? Pretty cool, really cool. All right, now let's come over here. Let's go ahead and upload that same microphone. Let's come over here to the AI backgrounds and see how it works. You had it down there too. So let me go back real fast to that. When I come down here, AI backgrounds, and upload the image, it's right here saved already. So I can just click on it and boom. So now there's some cool templates back here. Let's see what we can do. Look at that, that's pretty cool. Let's put it right there on that desk. Okay. Let's go ahead and create it now and let the AI get to work. Now there's a few different templates in here, okay? And then you can actually do your own custom scenes in here too as well, which is really cool. But for this example, let's use the recommended scenes in here. And then there's actually more scenes too. If we click more, ooh, very nice. There's a ton back here. All right, that's pretty cool. You might have to test one of those out, but you can see exactly, then you can go ahead and download it if you want it, but like pretty cool, right? Let's test out one of these different scenes over here. Let's go ahead and let's test this one, all right? That one, create. Now it's telling me the points, right? Keep that in mind too as well. The taking from the points, keep that in mind. If you want to test this out, my affiliate link is going to be down below in the description if you want to test this out and give it a run. But keep in mind, everything that we're using and testing is taking points and stuff like that based on your subscription. Okay. You see what it did there, right? This one's okay. It's not my favorite, but let's try a different one. It could cost me another 5 points. Go ahead, just try. And the pricing, we'll get to that in a bit to help you understand the whole breakdown and how the pricing subscription works. All right, there we go. Looks pretty clean right here. That's not too bad right here. Actually, one of my favorites. So let's get the download button. All right, let's pop it up. Not too bad. Looks pretty clean. All right, now let's go back to the dashboard. I'm liking that the product ads were pretty cool because you can make it turn it into a bit of an ad. The AI background was pretty cool, but my favorite one so far is the product ads creator. Now, white backgrounds, okay, or just even just changing the color of a background, right? Let's go ahead and test that out. Oh, they got some cool colors here. Okay, I like these colors. Let me go ahead and switch it to like this. That's a nice purple one. That's pretty clean. I like it. This one's nice. Can see something like this working really nice too. Just off color, real bright. A purple like this one working really good. Go ahead and download that. Look how clean that is. Pretty clean. All right, now let's go back. Let's check out this AI shadows. Go ahead and upload this. So background, that's that purple. And let's go ahead and generate a shadow. And it cost us 1 coin to do that. Let's generate one. And it's generating right here on the right-hand side. Do you see that? Oh. Pretty clean, huh? Let's see, which one's my favorite? I think it's this one and this, and that one. Okay, let me go ahead and pop those up. Get an idea how they look. Ooh, pretty clean, huh? That's pretty nice. I like that one too. That's real nice. Second one, just the color and then the shadow. It looks like it's attention grabbing. Okay, when you're looking at it, I can see something like this working really well with an arrow and something pointing to it and standing out. This will work really good. All right, so let's go ahead right here and use this image translator right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and click this. I'm gonna upload an image. Let's go ahead and this one right here. I was actually reviewing this back massager, right? Now it's English, so original it's English. Let's go ahead and translate it to, let's say Espanol. Okay, let's go ahead and hit translate. It's going to cost us 1 coin to do that. And let's go ahead and let it work its magic. Okay, get next. Nice. Okay. Oh, snaps. So this is, let me go ahead and pull up that original image over here so you can get an idea of what it said. It said, so relaxing. Now, to Spanish. All right, right here you can see the original text. It caught it, right? I didn't have to type in nothing. It just showed the image, right? So this is pretty cool. And then it went over here and translated it to Spanish Espanol. It translated to now. So if I search it over here, I searched over here on Google, what does it mean? It says, so relaxing. So based off of this, it did a good job. I don't know Spanish, right? I'm Mexican. I don't know Spanish, but that is Mexican American. That's what it translated to. And then the cool thing about this, you can come in here and mess with a few different things, right? As far as the text, I'm looking at the text, the styles, the fonts, all this stuff right here. Color, it grabbed it too. You see that? It grabbed the whole, it did a really good job at grabbing the actual font because this is the original one right here, right? And then it literally caught that whole font and it made it like, see, that's clean. Did a really good job. I think that's amazing right there. This is crazy how technology has evolved. And it did that for us. Now we can go ahead and we can download it. Okay, let's go ahead and look at it. Bam. It turned my original image into Spanish. See that? Pretty cool. Now, also too, that you could remove batch remove backgrounds, any of that stuff right here, remove watermarks, AI avatars, AI dubbing, batch remove watermarks. So if you have any images with watermarks on them and you want to remove them, that's a really cool tool that you can possibly use back here. There's a ton of different things that you can use, but those right there are some of the best features inside of Pic CoPilot. All right, so back here, right here, they have a batch remove background. So you can upload to 20 images, right? That's really cool. I create a lot of t-shirt designs. So if I'm creating anything with AI, I would like to remove the backgrounds on all my graphics. And for example, let me go ahead and drag and drop. I have 4 images right here. And these are just standalone, like they're graphics. You have a ghost reading, you can see them right now. Got a ghost reading a book with a jack-o'-lantern and having a drink with some books in the back, right? So let's go ahead and hit remove. So 4 images. Go ahead and hit remove. And as I hit remove, you can see that it did a really good job at doing this. So let's go ahead and click on one. Bam. Okay. Now, one thing I recommend when it comes to any of this, guys, it's important that you have the background just a one solid color because it's going to help you when it comes to removing the background with most AIs. You can see how good of a job it did at removing it. Now, if you come over here and we let's say we look at the original one, you see it? See just the black background? That's what I mean by that example. And then we come over here and look at just a tip. If you're creating any type of AI designs or anything like that, and you want to remove the background, make sure you put like black background, blue background, red background, whatever type of background color you want, and it's easier for you. I highly recommend you do it that way. It makes it so much easier for you or for the AI to understand that this is the graphic, right? And this is the background. And then it will help you remove the background so much easier, especially if you're uploading in bulk. See how I did that? Just took them all out like that. Now, this is a really cool software. There's so much that you can do with inside of here by removing the background. The AI automatically removes the background for you. And then you can go ahead and design a whole ad back there for your audience. And then not only that, you're leveraging like flat lay images of clothing, and then you can put them on AI models, right? Pretty powerful, really cool, so much fun stuff that you can do back here. As far as understanding the AI, it's like, think about it this way. You have to understand how to use the tool. So it does take a little bit of practice and time to understand how to use it. And then once you get that down, it's pretty much like drag and drop, and a few little edits and stuff like that. It's pretty fun to use. It's incredible how AI is evolving and continuously evolving. It's a very powerful tool if you use it to your advantage. And make sure you use my affiliate code down below in the description. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about how to create AI designs, watch this video right here next. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.